Hello, in today's video I will be discussing how to set up Graph App Consent in Quicklaunch. This video will demonstrate both first-time Graph App Consent users and how to use App Consent if Quicklaunch has been previously used but you have a new Quicklaunch install needing to be set up. First-time use of Graph App Consent. After installing Quicklaunch from the Kramer installer, work your way through the Quicklaunch setup wizard. When you arrive at the Accounts tab, select Exchange Calendar, press Next, then choose Graph App Consent from the Calendar Authentication dropdown. Enter your domain in the Domain Name box, then press Grant Access to Quicklaunch. You must then have an Enterprise Administrator sign into Azure, then accept the permissions for Quicklaunch. Granting consent will automatically create app registration on the Azure site. After this screen closes, the tenant ID should be populated. You may now enter your account in the Calendar email area and press Verify. Complete the Quicklaunch setup wizard and begin using your calendar. Change to App Consent with Tenant ID. If you have a new Quicklaunch install and already use Graph App Consent in another meeting space, have an Azure admin sign into portal.azure.com. Press Azure Active Directory from the top bar. Choose App Registrations from the left-hand options, then search for Quicklaunch. Click on Quicklaunch and copy the directory ID. From Quicklaunch, enter settings by pressing Ctrl-Alt-S or the gear icon in the upper right of the interface. Select the Account tab, scroll down to the Domain section, open the Calendar Authentication dropdown, and select Graph App Consent. Paste your tenant ID in the appropriate location. You may now enter your email address in the Calendar email location at the top of the settings screen and press Verify. To save time with future Quicklaunch installations, export your settings with the tenant ID. Then import these settings in a new Quicklaunch meeting room to instantly have your tenant ID available. For more information about using Graph API in Quicklaunch, see the FAQ in the top of this video's description. To always stay up to date with Quicklaunch, please be sure to visit our website at www.ucworkspace.com/quicklaunch.